Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In this video, we're gonna look at how you can log into your Bitstamp account. But before that, if you have not subscribed to our channel, consider doing so because we upload similar videos like this regularly. So make sure that you are also notified every time we make a post. The first thing you need to do is download the application of Bitstamp on your device, or you can also do this from the website of Bitstamp. Either way, it is the same process. Now after you open the application of Bitstamp, you can see an interface such like this. From here you can click on the login option. Now enter in your email address or your username that you used while creating your account for Bitstamp. Now also enter in the password that you created. If you don't remember the password to your account, then you can click on the forgot password option and retrieve it. After you're done, click on continue. I hope you guys found this video to be helpful. If you like this video, then give this video a thumbs up. We will be back soon with more content such like this. Thank you for watching.